Now moving to the Delphi compilers, there is one great feature that's available in 12.2. We are shipping the 64-bit version of the Delphi compiler for Win32 and Win64. 64-bit version doesn't mean targeting or building 64-bit application, but it's the compiler itself that is a 64-bit executable, and therefore the compiler is now able to handle extremely large application because it has a huge memory address space compared to the 3 GB that were available on the older 32-bit binaries. We have enabled this feature only for the command line compilers because the IDE cannot invoke a compiler directly, but the compilers are enabled from the IDE when you're using the external MS build. In that case, there is a new feature. You can determine which is your preferred tool architecture and can be 32 or 64-bit. So the goal here is to allow building a very large application with tens of millions of lines of source code as a single executable. And that's also the reason we have made this feature available only in Enterprise and Architect in 12.2. The same option is available also for the Delphi LSP. Because Delphi LSP is a separate executable, it can be activated in the IDE in a version that is built as a 64-bit binary. So both the command line compilers available through MS Build and the Delphi LSP engine are available as 64-bit application. The new C++ compiler, which is also a separate executable, is and has been 64-bit since the release. So